Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move hip catch. There are lots of variations on these. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful, and that is the only real prerequisite for this, but you would like to have a good standard of intermediate level dancing before you try one. I'll put a link to the first move in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find it if you need it. And without further ado, move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right, standard first move. We go back, we come in, we twist out, we prep the turn. This is where things change. We start off to lead the turn, but then we let go with the left hand. The right hand stays in contact. It turns, so we're going thumb down. As the lady's moving away from us, we're going to catch in behind the hip, and as the lady travels, we're going to stay close to the lady so we don't actually lose contact. We're going to stop her with a hand behind the hip. Oh, guys, we're going to be moving over to the right. So we've got good solid contact. Lady's pushing back into that hand on the hip. We redirect the lady in a return direction, but as we do so, guys, head forwards and pass the lady on the right hand side. So the lady's coming around, we guide her forwards, across, and then re-catch the lady's right hand in our left, having changed sides one more time. So let's do it again from this side. So we go back, 1, in, 2, twist 3, prep 4, turn 5, catch 6, notice I'm getting out of the way already, spin through 7, and catch 8. Okay, so it's exactly the same number of counts as a normal first move. It's just up in the fancy a lot. Okay, so let's try it together. 5, 6, first move, hip catch. You go a back, in, twist, prep, turn, block, spin, and catch. And that is that. First move hip catch. I hope you enjoyed that. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, hooray. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video. It's just a link to a music video of something nice to dance to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.